I thought I'd make a quick video of this. And why am I making a video of this? Well, I just got this, well, a few months ago. It's an electric, battery operated lawnmower. And this thing works really good. If you have a gas lawnmower, you might want to think about getting something like this. We ended up getting the Craftsman only because we had some Craftsman tools. See, here's a weed whacker, and then we got a blower, and then we just got an edger bush trimmer, and they all are battery operated. And if you're going to do that, you might as well get everything from the same. That way, when you get a battery and a charger, you don't have to get all different kinds. You know what I mean? And here's the thing. We got this at the end of a season, and that's just how it turned out. And we saved about probably $150 because this was a floor model. It didn't come in a box. They didn't have any more. They had 2 or 3 different kinds, but we chose the Craftsman for the reason why we said. I thought, hey, let's just try it out. And it's really pretty cool. It came with batteries, and it came with the thicker of the 2 batteries. We happen to have a thin one and a thick one because one of the other things we got was a thin one. And this thing here, I didn't even know it, but it came with 2 fat batteries, and they're 20 volt. Let's see what the batteries are. You know, it's the bigger ones. See here? This is the Craftsman, and it's a 20 volt lithium 4.0 is the fat one, and the thinner one is the 2.0. Okay, but it came with two fat ones. Can you believe that? It came with 2 fat ones. I didn't even think it would come with batteries, and I haven't even opened them yet. Okay, actually they're in here. Okay, and they're the big ones. And then it came with 2 chargers, 2 battery chargers. I thought that was kind of slick too. And it came with an owner's manual. It works really good. And the other thing, it comes with this little key. See that? If you don't have this, it won't run. Okay, when you have the batteries in. And it took a little bit of time to get used to it. This turns it on, and this one here, oh, I got the batteries. I got the batteries in. See, if you do that, it's electric for the wheels too, and that's slick. And you can only adjust the back side. I couldn't figure out how to adjust the front as much, but the back and this comes off really easy. And I got the grass adjusted kind of high, only because we got a big tree in the grass, and the roots, I didn't want to have to chop the top of the roots off, and so the grass grows a little bit higher, and it's fine. The grass looks nice and full. But you know, think about getting one of these. I think you have to do that, and then press the button to start it. Come on. I forget. See, like I say, I've only used it a couple times. I've only used it a couple times so far. I think you have to have, I don't think the key's pushed in all the way. There's directions here. Oh, you got to press that first and then do this. And that's how loud it is. That's electric. Okay? That's for safety. You got to push that in, then do that. And then this will make it go. And it's got slow and fast. You can dial that however fast you want your wheels. And you know, I didn't even know it was going to come with electric wheels on the back side, but it did. And lots of times I just push it because if I want to make a sharp turn or something, you have to wait a couple seconds for the tires to disengage before you can actually turn it without chopping up the grass, so to speak. Okay, but think about getting an electric one. If you have a gas-powered lawnmower, chances are it's pretty old, and I don't even think they make them anymore. I don't even know if you can get a gas one anymore. You can do away with the gas cans. The smell in your garage every time you go out there, it smells like gasoline. Oh yeah, yeah, somebody just mowed the lawn, and you've got the gas cans. You have to keep filling up the gas cans and all that kind of stuff. You know, for all those reasons, I got that. And here's the other thing: we used to have a weekly gardener, and I said, "Phooey on that, phooey on that." We've had them for years, and this is the only amount of grass we have. It only takes me, 5 minutes to cut this grass, and we had the weed whacker, so I just edged, and we got a blower, and I've got a trimmer that I can trim stuff with now. I don't need a weekly gardener. Here's the thing. That lawnmower, because we got it at the end of the year, I think it cost us like $250. The gardener was costing us about $200 a month, because he blowed and he was supposed to do some weeding and edging and trimming in the backyard. He very seldom did that. You know how that goes. And every time I wanted him to do some bush trimming, oh, I don't have my trimmer with me, I'll have to do that next week. And he was supposed to be doing it all the time. I don't have to mess with any of that. And $200 a month, and this thing costs about $250. In less than 2 months, that thing is paid for. And every month I'm saving $200 because I'm mowing the lawn and doing some edging and weed whacking and certain things. I'm fine with that because it gives me something to do. It gives me some exercise. It gives me some satisfaction knowing I can do all this on my own. It saves us a little bit of money, and a little bit of money. Good grief, $200 a month for a gardener, and that's probably pretty. That's kind of about the right amount. I've seen some gardeners that charge $350 a month, but at $200 a month, that's $2,400 a year. And I'm going to save all that because I've got this, and I've got a couple other battery operated tools. You pay for them once, and you got them for quite a few years. You know what I mean? So start thinking about doing some stuff like your gardening around the house on your own, and get yourself a nice electric lawnmower. That's all I can say about that. Yeah, you probably want to see how nice the grass now looks after it took me less than 5 minutes with the lawnmower, a few minutes with the edger. That's it. Okay, think about getting one of those electric lawnmowers. Okay, and if you want to wait until the end of the year, look at it at the end of the year, and it might surprise you how much money you might save. Well, thanks, little lawnmower. You just saved me $50, and it took me maybe 10 minutes. And I know you'll be able to do that for me next week too.